Today we have a 2008 Mazak Qtn Nexus 200 Roman numeral 2. Machine has a matrix Nexus control. You can see the hours on the screen. It's got about 7,600 total cut hours. It's got an 8-inch 3-jaw Kitagawa chuck, tailstock, and a Mayfran chip conveyor. We're going to run the machine for you now. 1,000 RPM. 2,000 RPM. 3,000. Spindle's nice and quiet. Max RPM on this one is 5,000. It's got 12-position turret. All the tool holders that are mounted to the turret go with it. Tailstock. Okay, you can inspect this machine on our floor in Harrison, New Jersey. Thank you for watching the video.